Candle lanterns made from cans are an easy and rewarding project that you can do yourself or with the family. And it's a great project for a scout or church group. Simple and inexpensive with great results. It starts out easy. Eat canned foods and clean and keep the cans. With a few cans ready, gather up the other needed supplies. You may need to pick up craft wire, but you likely already have everything else. Step 3 is to bend down the sharp edge your can opener may have left at the rim. Use your pliers to press down the edge. Even after you've done this, be very cautious around the lip of the can. Sharp spots may still be there. Safety first. Depending on the design you have in mind, you may want to sketch out a pattern. If you do, draw a rectangle on a piece of paper the right size to wrap around the can. Use graph paper if you're left-brained and want the design to be graphically balanced. Cut out the rectangle and wrap the paper onto the can. Secure it with a little tape and you're all set. Break out that towel and use it as a cushion to hold the can steady on the floor or other sturdy surface. With a nail in one hand and your hammer in the other, tap small holes into the can. Take the paper back off the can when you're done, if you've opted to use a pattern. Kudos to those of you who freehand it. To handle or not to handle, that's the next question. If you're adding a handle to carry or hang your lantern, add opposing holes near the upper lip. Using the craft wire, cut out a piece about a foot long, thread it through the 2 holes and twist it off. Give it plenty of twists to make sure that it stays secure. Falling lanterns aren't good. You can put your new lantern into service a la natural silver, or you can add a splash, or is that a spray, of color. In a well-ventilated area, like maybe a driveway or lawn, spread out a bit of paper or a piece of cardboard. Using a paint meant for outdoor use, spray on a coat. Just the outside? Different color inside? You decide. Ready, set, light it up. But we only want to see punctures in the lantern, not your skin. The inside of the can with all the punctures pushing the metal inward is going to be very sharp. If this project was done with the kids, an adult should put the candle into the new lantern and light them. Not that us adults are goof-proof. Be very careful. And ta-da! Light bright art. Still having trouble imagining the possibilities? Let's troll for some inspiration. Freeform, inspired by nature perhaps. Or wandering shapes. Borders maybe? Flat black on the outside with reflective gold on the inside reflects our interest. But seriously, if you have time to tap out this many holes, you may need to get a life, albeit very pretty. We're liking this black on the outside thing. It can look very urban or speak to nature. Yeah, more people with a lot of time to poke holes. We commend your patience if you try this. Or maybe we think you're just crazy. Still, a lot of holes, but freeform. Not quite so crazy. And patterns don't have to be complex or have a million holes to be inspired. Combine smaller and larger holes to keep it interesting. No spray paint needed for this primitive art look. Put them on coasters for more dimension. Or just keep it real simple. Nature combined with paint colors that are grade pastels will have you on trend. Eco-elegant. Or make it a quick project with a few little cans. Go retro 60s feel. Or amped up psychedelic with cans reflecting bright neon paint on the inside. Channel the Caribbean coast. Hanging or sitting, big cans are fun too. Margarita, please. Turn a tree into a candle chandelier. Fun by day and by night. Only a little bit hillbilly, really, much. Your yard with sparkle. And your lawn, the summer version of bag lanterns. Spring is sprung. Cute by day and by night. Keep the pattern simple and let the color be the hero. Check the international food aisle at your grocery store for cans that are printed rather than labeled. Fun themes, no painting required. Baby shower decor? Simple thing. Welcome to the party. Easy to find your address at night. Old canisters equal new lanterns. Or really old canisters. Go retro. Fall in a can. Coloring books and the new trend in adult coloring books are a great place to get patterns. Spend a bit of messy time carving a real pumpkin, or get spooky with cans. Put a bit of time into making them, because unlike a jack-o'-lantern, you can use them year after year. Light up place settings at seasonal gatherings. Empower your inner angel, or give them as a gift to those that need a bit of extra sparkle in their lives. Line the front porch and twinkle on. Pick up some blue-gray paint and celebrate January's beauty. Vary the hole size to give your flakes dimension. Heat up your February decor and celebrate the season of love. Youngsters can manage this easy gift for mom. Maybe dad can take it a bit further. Hey guys, a nail and copper spray paint and you're there. Although this might be more male-oriented, Father's Day gift perhaps? Here's a Boy Scout project worthy of a young patriot. This one too. Ramp up the patterns and the paint a bit. And the patio looks patriotic into the night. Even across the pond. Turn the can over and you have a projector. Who needs a disco ball? Okay, so nobody needs a disco ball. But this is fun. And for the can art graduate student, cut slots down the side of the lower can and push it down to bulge out the metal strips. Impressive. Party on. Create some sharp can designs and remember to be careful of the sharp edges. Then check out our websites for further fun ideas. Light a candle tonight.